America is planning to build a massive floating pier to deliver aid to Gaza. The US military says the amphibious lifeline could mean 2 million meals a day entering the beleaguered strip. But how will it work? The giant project is known as Joint Logistics Over the Shore, or JLOTS. Similar technology, where soldiers and equipment are delivered to shore without access to a port, was used as far back as the D-Day Normandy invasion during the Second World War. It's been used more recently as part of disaster relief missions in countries like Somalia and Haiti. This time, the Pentagon says no troops will ever set foot on shore, which is already raising questions about how and where the pier will connect with the Gaza coastline. The plan involves two major parts. First, the military plans to construct a steel floating dock where cargo ships can deliver aid shipments. The second part involves building a two-lane causeway and pier approximately 600 meters in length. Smaller supply boats would then ferry the cargo from the floating dock to the pier. The last step would be loading the aid back onto trucks and driving it to secure distribution points. US President Joe Biden first announced plans for the pier during his State of the Union address in March.
No US boots will be on the ground. A temporary pier will enable a massive increase in the amount of humanitarian assistance.
It could be months before the infrastructure project is complete, and once it's ready, the big challenge will be ensuring security, both for those delivering aid and the civilians who desperately need it. Meanwhile, critics of the plan say the best way to deliver aid is to allow more of it through existing land borders. Is the floating pier a realistic alternative, or another disaster waiting to happen?